Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Ideal gas law practice problem with pressure in mmHg. Correct answer is given the ideal gas law equation PV equal nRT less, solve a practice problem using pressure in mmHg. Question: a sample of gas has volume of 0.50 L at temperature of 300 K and contains 0.25 moles of gas. If the pressure of the gas is 750 mmHg, what is the gas constant R? Answer: R equal 62.37 L mmHg by mol K. Explanation: to find the gas constant or rearrange the ideal gas law equation to solve for R equal P, V and T. Substitute the given values. R equals 750 mmHg, 4.50 L, 0.25 mol, 300 K. R equal 3375 by 75. R equal 45 L mmHg by mol K. Since pressure is given in mmHg, the gas constant is expressed in L mmHg mol K. Thus, the value of R is 62.37 L mmHg by mol K.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.